Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my DIY sugar wax. You can use this on your upper lip, your eyebrows, your underarms, legs, bikini line, pretty much everywhere. So if you want to start waxing, especially your underarms, I would say let it grow out. I grew out my underarms for this video, so yeah, pretty hairy. It's made from natural ingredients. If you have sensitive skin, it's okay. You don't need a wax warmer, you don't need a whole waxing kit. You just need to go into your cupboards in the kitchen and steal a few things. That's it. Even with the strips, you can make strips from an old t-shirt. You don't even need to, you literally don't need to order anything. I tend to wax every 2 weeks because the longer you do it, the less your hair grows. So, and I'm kind of dealing with the pain. I'm not over the pain yet. I'm not gonna lie and say I enjoy waxing. I don't. I enjoy what it looks like afterwards, but during, Since I've started waxing as well, I've seen a major improvement in the colour of my underarms. They're not as dark anymore, so if you're trying to find remedies to brighten up your underarms, maybe just stop shaving. My hair used to grow so quick when I used to shave my underarms, like it would grow within that same week, and I was just constantly shaving, and I think it was just irritating my skin. So keep on watching. I'm going to show you how I make my sugar wax, and hopefully you can make it. Whatever you do, don't burn the wax. Just don't burn it and don't burn yourself. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, to start off with, you're going to need 1 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice. It can be a freshly squeezed lemon or lemon juice from a bottle, and then 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to turn my cooker on to medium to high heat and place my saucepan on top and add the mixture. Also prepare a cold bowl of water. This will be needed to test out if your wax is ready or not. Give it a good stir to make sure the sugar is mixing well with the water and lemon. Here you can see I'm testing it out, it's not ready. Once I start to see it bubble like this, I turn the heat down just so that I don't burn it. You can always turn the heat back up if it's not ready. Your wax should look like this amber colour, and you can now test it out by putting it in the cold bowl of water. You should easily be able to roll it into a ball and squish it. This is how you know it is ready. This is what you don't want it to look like, a really dark amber colour, and when you pull it out, it will be quite stringy and you won't be able to form a ball out of it. So you'll have to start again. It should have a similar consistency to honey, like the similar texture. Let it cool down before you apply it to your skin. Okay, so you will need some cotton strips. If you don't have any, you can cut up an old t-shirt. You'll also need some popsicle sticks, and I use a bar of soap to prep my skin. I don't use any powders. Make sure you have no oils or moisturizers on your skin. Make sure your skin is completely dry. Okay, so it's warm, it's ready. I'm gonna apply my wax. Oh wait. Okay, that's covered. Sorry if you don't like armpit hair. I mean, what can you do? I feel like I should put my hair up for this. For women and the pain they go through. Breathing out whilst I'm pulling, or just before like I pull the strip, helps. Just doing, just breathing out. I'm gonna pull on 3. Remember, breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Wow, I don't know if you guys actually want to see this. If you don't want to see it, skip. Warning, skip if you don't like hair. Wow, I don't think I need to do that again. I got all that off in one go. Wow. Can I just, guys, breathe out. Breathe out. I am very impressed. I mean, look at that. This is one side. Let's do the side. Yes. If you bleed a little, it's okay. It's normal. You're not dying. You're okay. Okay, so again, when we bring the wax up. Okay, here we go. Don't want to go back to shaving ever. It just gives you really, makes your armpits a lot darker. It irritates your skin, ingrown hair. So no, 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 nope, nope, nope. I mean, there's a lot of pros to waxing, especially sugar waxing. I mean, the only negative is the pain. So I'm just gonna wait to let my friend dry here for a second. Try that technique. Breathe out once you're pulling the wax, and I'm telling you, it'll make a difference. It will make a difference. If it doesn't, then I'm sorry. My hand here, pull my skin. That is on. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. 3, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Again. Nearly there, nearly there. Just gonna clean up a little bit because, you know, there will be some hair remaining, a little bit. That you probably haven't been able to pull out. You can see, but I just have like the tiniest bit left. That is literally all I need. I cut some strips as well just for these kind of things. 3, 2, 1. Now it's clean. Now it's clean. 3, 2, 1. I am hair free. It actually wasn't that bad. My first time, whew, second time, I kind of just stopped. I did not do it properly the second time. Third time, now I know my little technique about breathing. It's not that bad. So I feel like the next time I do it, it's just gonna get easier and my hair is gonna grow softer and it just doesn't hurt as much as long as I keep on top of it. So I'm just gonna go in with my after wax oil spray. So I gotta soak in a little. And there we have it, guys. Ta-da! Boom, boom,